Look, I'm happy right now, all right? I've been in a good mood all day. You know, now I'm in more of a, well, I mean, I've been happy because ever since I did that egg thing in the comments, yo, like the ripple actually been coming. So let me show you guys. So I got the dewy on right now, okay? So I got the dewy on. I'm about to unrag it for you guys, but here's the thing, all right? Now, like I said, I have ripples now. Nah, don't get it confused. I don't have, you know, like hella ripples to where it's like, oh my god, like 360, you almost there. No, it's not like that, okay? I wish it was, but that's not what it's like. It's like you're able to see that you're able to get waves. Here's the thing. Here's the thing is that I swear, when you see a ripple, it is such a confidence booster when you see that ripple. Like I forgot how much of a confidence booster it is when you see when you actually see your ripples, okay? Like when I saw that thing, I swear, like my brush level, it was already, you know, up here. But then it went like up here, you feel me? Because it just motivated me. It just motivated me like, yo, I know I could get it, you know, like I'm gonna keep pushing, I'm gonna keep doing it, you know, and I'm gonna have the fastest progress out here. You know, my mindset was like locked in, and nobody else was changing. Nobody at school, you know, calling me Juan or Juanito or something like that. It was not working, okay? Because I was locked in. I was like, yo, I could get these waves. You know, I could actually like I'm about to get the fastest progress anybody's ever seen, because I even went to the lowest number that I don't even recommend you guys to go to, okay? And now I know how you guys feel. It's like when you guys see your ripples, it just puts a whole nother motivation inside you that like nothing else, no looking at, you know, any other waiver, any YouTube waivers, anybody on Instagram on top waivers, anything like that. Honestly, it doesn't matter. When you actually see it yourself, it just constantly pushes you. You're like, oh snap, I'm about to get to work, all right? But, you know, I'm gonna show you guys, all right? I'm gonna go ahead on rag. You know, I'm not going to try to make this, you know, too long of a video. You guys already know when I make my videos about my progress. When I make my videos about my progress, I really don't want to, like... I don't care. I mean, you see it, right? I mean, it's like right here. Like y'all can y'all see it? Can y'all see it? Can y'all see it? Can y'all see the ripple? Look at the ripple! All right, but let me stop clowning. I'm gonna stop clowning and we're gonna just go ahead. We're gonna get in this quick little brush session just to show you guys how I'm brushing again, like how I did when I did like the week 2 update progress thingy. Videos commented saying that I'm brushing in a high like 720 hybrid. Y'all, I don't know how that even looks like a 720 hybrid. I just thought he was trolling, to be honest. So yeah, I hope you guys see the progress. I hope you guys see it. Next week it should like hopefully be most definitely, you know, in there. You know, this is what, like week 4 or week 5 or something like that, you know? And we're going on the 12-week wolf. All right, we're going on the 12-week wolf. So we should at least be somewhat having, you know, waves, trying to get out of the ripple stage by the time we get out this 12-week. If I'm not having, you know, really waves by then, you know, or, you know, trying to transition out of the ripple stage, then I'm basically gonna keep woofing, okay? I'm not gonna stop woofing. If I gotta go 20 weeks, yeah, boy, it's gonna go 20 weeks, okay? If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You guys already know you should like the video because you like the video. Why wouldn't you like the video if you like the video? And also drop a comment because you guys already know I like reading you guys' comments down below. And go ahead and subscribe. Hit that